Today on my model Anishka, I will be sharing with you the Shinefinity Corrective Glaze technique. Because of the benefits of Shinefinity's pH balance technology, it makes for a great choice to use during corrective color work, and not to mention how quick and easy it is to apply using a bottle at the shampoo bowl. Shinefinity is a great go-to for natural correction services and balancing moderate unevenness. On my model Anishka, we discussed balancing out the amount of warmth in her hair as well as adding depth. Let's get started. I'm prepping her hair with a light shampoo. Because of the amount and texture of her hair, applying Shinefinity to damp hair will make it easier for me to control. However, a corrective glaze can also be applied on dry hair for maximum saturation. I have mixed up equal parts of Shinefinity 09/02 and 05/37 with the bottle activator. I'm going to apply the Shinefinity formula right here at the shampoo bowl, working the color directly through mid-lengths and ends. I'm using a wide tooth comb to ensure proper saturation. Look how easy it is to comb through her hair with the Shinefinity formula. The ease of application really makes balancing her tones such a breeze. Now I'm going to allow her hair to process for 20 minutes. Wow, I love the amazing transformation. The color is more balanced and complements her skin tone. Plus, her hair feels great. The Shinefinity Corrective Glaze Kit is the perfect addition for any stylist that offers corrective color services. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the technique and are excited about Shinefinity.